Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Hi, just thought I'd let you guys know this is a mobile home, and this was painted. If you notice, this is a batten strip and this is regular drywall, and this down here is beadboard if you look for the grooves, and they painted it, and I thought that was pretty cool. Then they did ceiling, so that they painted it white. Then they did their lines, and it makes it look like it's real Western. Looks pretty cool.
What about the door?
The door is neat too. The cabinets. That's that old paper cabinet that they had. They put in nice knobs and made it look a little bit more like real wood. See, the inside is like real ugly. This would have been what the kitchen looked like. This
Wallpaper
over it. And then if you look at this door, they painted it, which is one of those regular flat doors. They painted it to look like a barn door. Pretty cool. And then in here, they put a, looks like a paneling up and ran it this way.
versus this type of wall.
And this it would be what it was, all the way around. So I think it was neat. They painted this cabinet. So it's certainly a neat idea, something you can do as an alternative. Let's look at the other bathroom. So if you look, there's a magic marker or Sharpie to make the grooves. And I've seen this done on floors, and then they clear coat it. They were regular plywood, then they drew lines with Sharpies. I thought it was a neat idea. As opposed to dealing with just plain walls like that. It's got all kinds of holes and stuff like that. And this looks
very
cool.
Unique.
Yeah. So just an idea. Not saying you should do that, but it's an idea. What you could do. It's really neat. Thought I'd leave you with that just as a sample. See ya.